become increasingly popular as of late. In fact, they're now one of the most popular supplements and weight loss products around. During roasting, the natural antioxidants present in coffee beans are removed, which is not at all beneficial for our health. But these beans do not undergo that same procedure and are actually considered as highly beneficial for our overall health. 1. Powerful antioxidants. Green coffee beans are loaded with antioxidants, provided they're unprocessed as mentioned. Those powerful antioxidants help to lessen the damaging effects of harmful free radicals in the body and help to support overall health. Several studies have confirmed that raw and unprocessed green coffee beans contain 100% pure chlorogenic acid, which is essentially an ester of caffeic acid with strong antioxidant properties. Many experts believe that free radical damage is a factor in the development of a host of diseases, including cancer and atherosclerosis. Antioxidants like those found in green coffee beans may play an important role in either managing or preventing not only some cancers and heart disease, but Alzheimer's disease, macular degeneration, arthritis-related conditions, and more. 2. Normalize blood sugar. Thanks to the high level of antioxidants and other healthful compounds in green coffee beans, they can also help lower inflammation, which offers positive effects on blood sugar. It may be helpful for lowering glucose levels, which in turn may lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 3. Aid in weight loss. Green coffee beans were initially thrust into the spotlight when researchers discovered its ability to aid with weight loss. While it's no miracle for losing weight, there is evidence to suggest it can help enhance the results when consumed while following a healthy diet and engaging in regular exercise. That's because of the substance, chlorogenic acid, which is believed to be responsible for those effects. Chlorogenic acid is highly absorbable and known to aid the body in burning glucose and stored fat for energy. Caffeine plays a part too. In fact, a number of studies have shown that it helps boost the metabolism anywhere from 3 to 11%. As caffeine provides a stimulant effect on the central nervous system, drinking it raises the metabolism and increases the oxidation of fatty acids, aiding one's ability to lose weight or maintain an already ideal weight. 4. Anti-aging abilities. We also have chlorogenic acid to thank for the high level of antioxidants in green coffee beans, which are known to slow the effects of aging. As you grow older, your face is the first area to exhibit the visible signs of ultraviolet radiation, or UV, which can manifest in wrinkles, fine lines, sagging, discoloration, and dry skin. Green coffee beans help to rejuvenate it again, to improve the texture and firmness of the skin, as well as reducing redness and the appearance of wrinkles. 5. An energy boost. The reason most people drink coffee is to get that energy boost, and green coffee beans are no different, as they also contain the stimulant known as caffeine, which can increase energy levels in addition to aiding weight loss by boosting the metabolism.